Dinouniversity. Purr. Hello, friends. I'm Gigi, the coolest cat around, and today I've got a wild tale for you. We're diving into the world of leopards. Yep, those mysterious big cats with spots. They may look like me, but trust me, they're in a league of their own. Ready? Let's leap into it. Check this out. Leopards are known for being stealthy climbers. These claw marks? They're like a leopard's signature. But don't worry, I'm not here to challenge them. I know my limits. Let's start with what makes leopards so special. Their spots. These spots are called rosettes because they look like little roses. Cool, huh? Each leopard's rosettes are unique, just like your fingerprints. No two leopards look exactly the same. Now, leopards aren't just found in one place. Oh no, they're spread out all over the world. There are several types of leopards, and each one has its own style and flair. Let me introduce you to a few of my favorites. First up, the African leopard, the most common type. These big cats roam the savannas, woodlands, and rainforests of Africa. They're the ultimate hunters, using their powerful jaws and sharp claws to catch prey like antelope, gazelles, and even baboons. And get this, they're so strong they can carry their prey up a tree to keep it safe from other predators. Now that's impressive! Next, we have the elusive snow leopard, the ghost of the mountains. You won't find these guys in the jungle. They prefer the high, cold peaks of Central Asia. Their thick fur keeps them warm, and their large paws act like snowshoes, helping them walk on snow without sinking. Talk about winter fashion! Snow leopards are incredibly shy, so seeing one is like spotting a unicorn in the wild. And then there's the black panther. Wait, did I say panther? Surprise! A black panther is actually a leopard with extra dark fur. This is called melanism, which means their fur is so dark that their spots are almost invisible. Black panthers are the masters of disguise, blending into the night like shadows. They're mostly found in dense forests, where they can sneak up on their prey without being seen. Spooky, right? Let's not forget the Arabian leopard, the smallest and rarest of the bunch. These leopards are true survivors, living in the harsh deserts of the Arabian Peninsula. They have light-colored fur to blend in with the sand, and they've learned to hunt in one of the toughest environments on Earth. It's not easy being a desert dweller, but these leopards make it work. Finally, meet the Indo-Chinese leopard, who calls the forests of Southeast Asia home. These leopards are experts at hunting in thick jungles and are often spotted near rivers and streams. With their incredible swimming skills, they can catch fish and even cross rivers with ease. I might be a cat who hates water, but these leopards, they dive right in. Now, here's a fun fact. Did you know that leopards are solitary creatures? That means they like to live alone, unlike us domestic cats who love company. They're not shy, though. They're just fiercely independent. Each leopard has its own territory, and they mark it with scratches and urine to let others know, "This is my space, back off." Sounds familiar, right? Wink. Leopards are also night owls, just like me. They prefer to hunt at night when it's cooler and quieter. Their night vision is so good, they can see in almost complete darkness. Imagine having night vision goggles built into your eyes. Pretty cool, huh? Before we wrap up, let me tell you one more amazing thing about leopards. They're super adaptable, which means they can live in all sorts of places, from the jungles and savannas to the mountains and deserts. No matter where they are, they find a way to thrive. That's why leopards are one of the most successful big cats on the planet. So, next time you see a big cat with spots, remember, it's not just any big cat. It's a leopard, a true king of the wild. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be lucky enough to spot one of these incredible creatures in the wild. But until then, you've got me, Gigi, to keep you in the know. Thanks for hanging out with me today, folks. Keep your eyes sharp and your claws sharper. Until next time, stay wild.
Subscribe for more videos!